Welcome to Tell Me What to Draw. However, I am not live. I do not want to go live because I'm just testing all of this out right now. I want to see what the sound is like. Could my lights be right? And I also wanted to talk about the evilest thing I've ever had to draw, which is this. I don't know what this is. A person just came on and kind of dark and stormy night. They came onto the live stream, and they asked for whatever this is, uh, and uh, apparently the name it goes by Springtastic, and it is the evilest thing I've ever had to draw in the past before. That's a respiratory hustle. But we're just seeing how the audio goes and how we upload. And we're reviewing, so I have to do a practice drawing too, though, before we get to that. We gotta I wanted to see how the focus goes. And I figured why not just you know record, and I might upload. Hopefully, yeah, we got all right. I got focus here, so let's do practice drawing. I'm gonna find an empty space among here. Sometimes I have to. I run out of room. Oh yeah, it's doctor. I found the doctor. Um, ah, yes. This is what we call kind of a page that went nowhere. And I think I was trying to draw Dumbledore, and I messed up. So I'm gonna try to fix Dumbledore. Can I fix Dumbledore in frame? In frame. Ah, nice. Okay, so that's working. There you go. So this is just what we call the ultimate. And now I don't have this massive screen in front of me. And maybe, just maybe, I might be able to draw Dumbledore. And the fool that drew Dumbledore in the Rolling books, he didn't know how to draw either. So if this looks all weird and bent out of shape, you can look up Dumbledore in the books. But anyways, and you're like, okay, is it like you see? It's not doing that weird autofocus thing that my phone does. And so, truth be told, I should have been trying to do this a while ago. But we are just fixing Dumbledore here. Stupid Dumbledore. Ooh. He's chasing immortality. That's why he. Is it not the curse of all wizards to seek knowledge? Stupid Dumbledore. He never said that. Okay, so I think it's like when in doubt, just black it out. Okay, let me see. All right, let's move on here. Let's see how what else the kind of I am like flipping. And this book is almost done. Like my little sketchbook here is almost done. These are better drawings. Like when it goes here. Let's see. All right. How to do a legit little test run here. Because people are always coming on and they're asking for hamsters. Let's see how it will hold up against a hamster. I don't know why they keep coming on here and asking for hamsters. I think somebody's I think somebody's hamster had passed away. I'm so sorry. Um, But it's not the only night. They'll come on. They just keep asking for hamsters. It's not that. It's some weird demonic anime that I've never seen before. And I'll do a. Yeah, this is what I do every night. Is it not every night? I think people get mad because I don't do it every night. But it's I don't know, it gets hard. Especially then my phone starts to kind of get the wear and tear gets real. So have I had a webcam this whole time? Maybe. But I every time I try to use it, it goes to shit. I don't know how else to say that. Sorry. Trying to go. Um, people are always accusing me of not wanting to draw the feet. You get me? All right. So here's proof that I totally know how to draw feet. Right? Yep. Feet's the thing that I try to avoid. Uh, how do how would a large hamster paw look? It's horrible. How do their stupid paws look? Hold on. Give me a second. There you go. Should I give him a crotch area? I don't know. Oops. I think I gave him a camel toe. That's an accident. I'm sorry. And then his hands are, you know, they're showing. Now you're gonna come in, add some of the fur. Okay. Oh yeah, he's wearing. I guess he's wearing a short sleeve. A short sleeve dress shirt, and then this side is kind of broken in, anyways. But yeah, you know. And then you people were asking for cinnamon rolls. People like you wanted just different characters, different animals, and cinnamon bun costumes. Which is the most diabolical thing I've ever had to endure. I'm not saying you're not allowed to come on and ask for that. It's just saying that was the most diabolical thing I've ever had to endure. Um, right now we got some shadows right here, so then it kind of looks like a picture. Sorry, I'm adding some stress lines. And darkening in his suspenders here. And so I feel like this is actually working though. This should work out way better than my phone, hopefully. I tried using Krita, but I swear I think when the moment I start using a computer to draw, this would have taken 30 minutes at least. Because my stupid. Should I put a little name tag on him? I'll call him Doctor. I'll just call him Dr. R. Alright, whatever. Okay. I think this has been a successful test run. This is tell me what to draw. Tell me what to draw. All right, I'll see.